Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Muhammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to refresh the paginated report in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Paginated reports are now trending for the Power BI users because they want to make the detailed report and they want to export a large number of data which is not possible from Power BI. It is possible in paginated report, and also you can send the PDF files on a subscription basis to the end users. So let's go and check how we can refresh the paginated report. This is a paginated report of the category, and if you run this one, let's show up the category here. So I made a video about how you can create this report and how you can publish this into Power BI service. At that time I didn't have the premium per user license, so it was an incomplete to publish the report. So now as I activated the Power BI premium per user license, so publish this report into a Power BI service. Now I made a video about how you can activate the Power BI premium per user license. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back here, go to file and then save as, and then you have this Power BI service. It will list out all the workspaces available to you, and the diamond symbol is the premium version. So the testing workspace is for me. Click here and then give the name of this report and then click on save. Without this premium license you can't able to publish this into your Power BI service. If it is the file is already there, then it will give the option it's already there, you want to overwrite them, yes, can overwrite that. If it is not, it will directly publish into Power BI service. Now let's go and check out in Power BI service. So this is a Power BI service. In this, if you see this one, this is the dataset icon and this is a Power BI report icon, and this one more icon is there. This is for the paginated reports. Right now we publish this report, adventure work, subcategory and category report. If you click here, it will open up this window, and from here you can print, download the report, the RDL report, and you can embed this in the website of portal. You can generate a link and default view or the page view if it is for the printing version. And in the export you can export to Excel, PDF, CSV, PowerPoint, Doc, WebArchive and XML. Print, comment, subscription option also is there. You can want to share, you can also share with them. It's like regular subscription and it will attach as a PDF or by default, and if you want to change you can also change that to whom you want to assign and the timings here. Okay, now in order to refresh this one, let's go to this workspace again, and beside to that click on this more options, adventure works, category, subcategory, report. This is the one. You have this option delete, save a copy, manage, settings and lineage view. So in order to refresh, click on manage. It will open up this one gateway connection. In the gateway connection you have to select your gateway and then you have to map your gateway here. If it is not there, you can click add to gateway to create a new one. It's on a regular basis, you have to add a gateway and then you can assign that gateway to that report. So going back here, click here and then manage again. And if you look at here, there is no option like schedule refresh, nothing is here, right? Regularly the Power BI dataset will have those options here. For example, if you click here the dataset, here you have these options like if you select any dataset here, you will get options like schedule refresh is there, and there is no such options available here. This is really strange, right? Then how we're going to refresh this report? First of all, let's have a look at the report now. So this is the one. Now let's add one more data into the database. This is the one. I'm going to add this one. Stationery, for an example. So 6 rows has been added here. Now let's go to this Power BI service. These are 5 records available for now, and just refreshing the browser here directly. See here, and after refresh, it returns the 6 rows here. So it means there is no refresh required. You just had to manage the gateway, and then it will refresh the report directly from data source whenever user views this report or refresh this report. So this is how you can able to refresh the PageNet report by using this gateway option of this report. There is no dataset for that report. It is just only one report, and inside to that we had to manage the gateway to refresh the report. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.